Molly was having a rough day at work. Her boss was upset with her for missing a deadline, and her coworkers were irritable. She felt stressed and discouraged. When she got home that evening, Molly was greeted by Mittens, her fluffy 3-month-old tabby kitten. Mittens meowed happily and rolled onto her back, begging for belly rubs. Molly picked up Mittens and cuddled her close, burying her face in Mittens' soft fur. She felt her troubles melt away as Mittens purred contentedly. Cuddly Kitten Day on March 23rd was created to honor the joy that kittens bring into our lives. Their playfulness, affection, and snuggles brighten even the darkest of days and relieve stress and anxiety. Despite their small size, kittens have an incredible ability to comfort and support human emotional well-being. Spending just 15 minutes cuddling a kitten releases oxytocin, lowers blood pressure, and decreases levels of the stress hormone cortisol in humans. The importance of Cuddly Kitten Day is to raise awareness about the mental health benefits of spending time with animals, especially kittens. In today's hectic world, interactions with kittens can provide therapeutic value and self-care. Shelters and rescue groups often use this day to promote kitten adoption and education. People celebrate Cuddly Kitten Day in many heartwarming ways. Some volunteer at their local animal shelter to cuddle and play with kittens needing socialization and affection. Others cuddle up with their own kittens at home, taking extra time to play with feather toys and lazy pointers. Buying new cozy blankets, treats, and toys for kittens in shelters is a way for people without kittens of their own to spread the joy. Many share cute kitten photos and stories on social media to make others smile on this day. However, it's honored. The most important part of Cuddly Kitten Day is showering kittens with snugs, cuddlies, and love. March 23rd is Cuddly Kitten Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Cuddly Kitten Day. Cheers!